Welcome to Genesis Airway Innovations. We specialize in the design and production of airway management devices used during general anesthesia. Liz is a private dental surgeon specializing in extractions and cosmetics under general anesthesia, and typically does 6 procedures a day, taking an average of 1 hour for each procedure, including preparation, anesthesia, and recovery. Anaesthetists working with Liz would prefer to intubate patients using a device called a laryngeal mask airway. But to prevent the tube sitting in the mouth, dental patients are often intubated using a nasal endotracheal tube. Nasal endotracheal intubation has 7 identified complications, the most common being epistaxis, or better known as nosebleeds. Using the nasal endotracheal tube adds an average of 10 minutes onto each of Liz's dental procedures, or an hour a day, and often pushes her schedule back, causing inconvenience to patients and her team. The Genesis nasal laryngeal mask airway, the first of its kind to market, solves this problem with an innovative exchange process that is simple, safe, and secure. Evidence-based studies have shown that the Genesis LMA saves time, delivers better outcomes for patients, and enables Liz to stick to her appointment schedule. The time saved allows for 1 additional patient per day, which adds over $20,000 a month to the bottom line of Liz's private dental surgery. Liz now only works with anaesthetists who use the Genesis LMA. The Genesis LMA is one of 9 devices in our current range of carefully designed products to improve patient outcome and efficacy during and after anesthesia. Each device has a specific application supported by multiple evidence-based studies. All our devices are unique and are genuine first-to-market products. All Genesis devices are single-use products, come in multiple sizes. All products are modifications of devices that are used daily and in large numbers. We have intellectual property protection, and we're on the Australian Register for Therapeutic Goods. There are 1.2 million general anaesthetics carried out in Australia every year. The total addressable market in Australia for our devices is estimated at $2.8 million per annum, based on our current end-user pricing structure. But when we look at the bigger picture, Australia is just the beginning. If we add the USA, EU, and UK, the market value balloons to 131 million and globally exceeds 300 million a year. Our business model is based on rapid and aggressive expansion by identifying and engaging with local and international distribution partners. There has been very little genuine innovation in airway management in the past 20 years, so distributors who currently sell similar devices would relish the prospect of taking our products to this large but specialized global market. Our focus right now is to gain traction in Australia through pilot projects, direct sales, and developing a solid distribution network. Then we can start looking expansion into other regions. Genesis Airway Innovations Private Limited is a startup company with 2 founding members. Vernon Vivian is an experienced GP anaesthetist who still practices on the Sunshine Coast. I'm Greg Murray, and I'm an experienced business owner and manager and have been involved in a number of successful startups. In 6 to 12 months from now, we'll be looking for investors who want to join our globally expanding business. Our existing seed funding will get us off the ground in Australia, but to scale internationally, we'll soon be looking for investment for regulatory compliance, marketing, payroll, international IP protection, and inventory. So let's start a conversation now, and thank you for your time.